Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Prachi Gupta. Today I am going to explain negative sentences of using had. Negative sentences of using had. As all of you know, in affirmative sentences we will use had, but in negative sentences we will not use had not. We will use did not have. Did not have means past tense sentences of having anything. We will use did not have. We will not use had not. With every subject means with any plural subject or any singular subject. I, we, you, they, these, those, he, she or any name. We will use only did not have. Let's see how to do these sentences. We will take some examples. Listen everybody. Negative sentences. Did not have. It means पास नहीं था, पास नहीं थे, पास नहीं थी, पास नहीं थी. Okay. So listen everybody. So how we will do these sentences? See. हमारे पास घर नहीं थे मतलब means पास नहीं थे. In this sentence it has written पास नहीं थे. And wherever it is written पास नहीं थे, we will write did not have. So listen everybody. हमारे meaning we. पास नहीं थे did not have. As all of you know, पास नहीं थे did not have. अब what is remaining? What is remaining? Tell me. Yes, घर. We will write houses because these are plural. घर नहीं थे. From this sentence we can identify ना घर नहीं थे plural. So we will write we did not have houses. Second question. राहुल के पास फूल नहीं थे. Again पास नहीं थे. So what do you write? राहुल पास नहीं थे meaning as all of you know did not have. क्या नहीं थे? फूल नहीं थे. फ्लावर्स. राहुल डिड नॉट हैव फ्लावर्स. नाउ लेट अस टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल. तुम्हारे पास कंगे नहीं थे. अगेन पास नहीं थे मीन्स पास्ट टेंस सेंटेंसेस. पास नहीं थे. अगेन डिड नॉट हैव वी विल यूज. तुम्हारे मीनिंग यू. अगेन डिड नॉट have. You did not have कंगे combs. So what sentence should be? You did not have combs. You didn't have combs. Now let us take another example. आदमी के पास बकरियां नहीं थी. आदमी meaning the man. आदमी is a noun, so we will write the. Man पास नहीं थी meaning did not have. Everywhere we will use in past tense sentences having anything did not have. क्या नहीं थी? बकरियां. Goats. The man did not have goats. Okay. Now everybody. मेरे पास घड़ी नहीं थी. मेरे पास घड़ी नहीं थी. मेरे meaning I. पास नहीं थी did not have. घड़ी watch. So what sentence should be? I did not have watch. So everybody has understood in which sentences we will use did not have. In past tense sentences when we were having anything. Let us see another examples from our books. See, listen everybody. हमारे पास पैसे नहीं थे. So what we will write? हमारे meaning we. पास नहीं थे did not have. पास नहीं थे did not have. We did not have पैसे money. पैसे money. So our sentence should be we did not have money. Another example we will take from the book. भिखारी के पास कपड़े नहीं थे. Bhikhari meaning the beggar. Bhikhari is a noun, so we will write the beggar. के पास नहीं थे, did not have. The beggar did not have. The beggar did not have. कपड़े clothes. कपड़े clothes. The beggar did not have clothes. Okay, all of you. So everybody try to do sentences from the book. So you will understand about did not have sentences. Thank you everybody.